on the way to the office kasi we're going to Zambales and I'll bring you guys with me. So, watch out na kayo kung anong mga mangyayari. Hey guys, so we're still waiting for the other resources and siyempre, yung mga boss natin. Yung nakarating ako dito before me. Tapos kinuha lang yung mga kailangan nadalhan para sa office. Like yung water, yung kit.
Si Robby tsaka si Kier. Yan. Team Atienza for the win. Next. Ayan, Ina and Alvin. Ayun lang.
Gutom kayo, be. Hi, ka ba? Hello guys, follow me.
Ayun o. Ay, bang. Bibi, ate ko. Ano yung ate ko? Kaya? Ayan. Eh, sinatulas ko. Natuwa ko na sa iyo.
Hey! Where are we going?
Going to the beach.
To the beach!
Beach. No, not the beach. Beach. Maybe ako dito may ano,
Ang sexy mo naman. Model ka pa. Oh, ay, kambal ko yan. Outfit check. Hala, ang init ate. Ang pinaka-sexy. Hindi ako yun. Laro sila eh. Ala, ang ganda mo dyan, ate. Ay, maganda rin video. Good morning, roomies. Good morning!
Good morning. Mga pajamas.
Swim na kayo, be. Oo.
Ay, ba nakapokus na ba?
Here's our room, guys. So, I'll give you a room tour. Ayan. So, pagpasok mo dito sa right side, ito yung CR nila. And then, on this side naman, ito yung shower. Ayan. Here's the shower. And then, dito, ayan. Kita nyo na yung beds. Kasi 4 kami, so 1-1, tapos dalawa doon. Ayan. Tapos, may TV set sila dito. Tapos, may chair din. And then, they have aircon as well. Meron yung salamin dito. Tapos, may sink. Hey guys, and good morning. So, today is our full day. Actually, hanggang 12 noon lang kami dito. Sa White Rock. By the way, di ko nasabi, nasa White Rock Beach Resort pala kami. Yung iba, kaya wala yung roomies ko. Kasi naligo na sila. And ako din, parang ayaw ko pa maligo kasi nga mainit. Even though hanggang 12 na kami. So, pero we'll see if magdadagat ako or I don't know, baka magpipicture na lang ako or whatever. But yeah, tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. And ayun, magbe-prep na lang din ako. See you later! Outfit check, guys. Cap, tapos necklace, this one's it. Patunggal ko lang ito lang. We're good to go.
Parang ikaw, dinampot ko na at sinod ko ng unang nakita sa maleta.
Becky, Badet!
Pepe?
What a lovely surprise. I didn't think I'd find you here. Okay, I get it. You're still not talking to me. I know I did something wrong and I apologized for it. And I would do it 1,000 more times if I thought it would make a difference. I guess I'm naive. I didn't think you'd hate me that much, so it's alright. I'll go.